What if I told you that successfully executed motion graphics videos aren't actually about the voiceover, the VFX, or even the visual assets used? It's about the fluidity of how sequences move from one to the other. In premium brand communication, motion graphics has quietly evolved. It's moved past mere moving layout design and transitioned into a masterclass of human psychology by utilizing the 12 principles of animation. When a brand moves assets across the screen linearly, with no deceleration, no bounce, no weight, your brain instantly flags it as artificial. It feels cheap, automated, and automated means untrustworthy. Why? Because in the physical world, nothing moves without friction. By introducing the animation principles of timing and spacing, we give pixels mass. When a transition respects the laws of inertia, the subconscious mind stops analyzing the screen and starts believing it. It feels stable. It feels premium. This is the principle of anticipation. Before an action happens, there must be a preparation for that action. It cues the viewer's eyes where to look before the movement occurs. When a brand's visual storytelling utilizes anticipation, it removes cognitive load from the viewer. They don't have to guess where to look. The motion guides them seamlessly. Notice the difference. On the left, it's a robotic block of data dropping into place. On the right, it's a choreographed sequence. This is kinetic integrity. When elements move independently but harmoniously, it signals meticulous craftsmanship. And craftsmanship is the ultimate proxy for brand trust. To maximize impact, you don't need flashier assets or louder sound effects. You need to look at your transitions as a continuous thread of human physics. If you are a brand strategist or a creator, remember this: the moment an element breaks character, the moment a transition cuts abruptly or loses its weight, the illusion of your brand's authority breaks with it. Apply the 12 principles not to make things cool, but to make them predictable to the human eye. Because at the end of the day, people don't buy what they see, they buy how you make them feel. And trust isn't just designed, it's moved.